Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Learning Hunt.
Today we'll see about the map method in JavaScript. So what is the use of map method in JavaScript? The map method in JavaScript creates an array by calling a specific function on each element present in the parent array. Generally, map method is used to iterate over an array and calling function on every element of array. So as you know, the map method, it returns the array of your object's member here. So I want to return the object name and the ages of all these objects as an array. So at first I have to create a variable that is const new array here, and now I am going to create the map method in this array, that the array that is returned by the map method is stored by this new array, and then I print this new array. Okay, so I have to write here the front, that is because this is the name of my array here, and now I write here the dot map, and inside this map parenthesis I have to create a function. So I create a display function here, and inside the display function I give the portion argument. And why I give this portion argument? Because all this array is passed through in the function as an argument, so you can access this array object member. So I want to return here the first name and the age of all these object members. So I write here the first name, that is person dot name. Okay, now and after that I am writing here the ages, that is person dot age. Okay, so here my map method is created successfully. It returns the first name and then the person dot name, and then it returns the age, that is the person dot age. Okay, now I print this new array because these return arrays is stored by this new array. So I have to print this, that is print by this new array here. Now I save this file and refresh my page. I already opened my console window of this page, so I refresh my page. Now you can see that it returns the array that is here. The 0th term of the array, this is the first name, that is Ramesh. This is the first name of the first object here, and the age is 18. Here you can see that age is 18. So it returns the name and the ages of all these objects here. You can return also just like that. Here I delete this, and instead of this I want to return the HTML tags. So I create here the heading 1, and inside this heading 1 I want to print the person dot name, that is here person dot name. I create here the person dot name and with age. So I write again the $sign and then curly bracer here, that is person dot age here. Now after that I have to close this h1 tag here, and now I add this HTML tag into my body of HTML. So for that I have to use the document dot body dot inner HTML is equal to new array, and this new array is joined by the space. So I have to give the space here, and now I want to print these things. So when I save this file and refresh my page, now here you can see that it returns the HTML tags of array, and now here you can see that it print the name with ages, all these object name and the ages here. Okay, so in that way you can use the map method to return the array of a specific function on each element present in parent array. So this is for today. If you learned something today, then give a thumb, press the bell icon, subscribe my channel.